Hey, whoa, God, 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 God. My country people, it don't happen again. It don't happen again. Germany wants to do another one again. Ah, God. Why did they like collect Pikin for our hand? I don't know. My country people, I need una help for this one. Hello, my people. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. That one that depends on where you they watch me from. Welcome to Ebony the Lioness, aka MOA. If not the first time you come across my page, don't forget to follow this page on the notification bell. So anytime I put any video, you will be the first person to be notified. So, my country people, you get this our sister. She be fan of mine. Maybe say they won't collect the third Pikin for her hand. Relax, take a glass of wine, may you listen. I believe say you go use and city wise. This our lady, the advanced person, oh, she get 5 children. That 5 kids when she gets, he first Pikin when he dey. The man where he bought the Pikin for, he can't do Duvaga the first Pikin. He start to do Duvaga until the Pikin can't decide to tell a friend for school. A friend can't tell teacher. Now so they say move that Pikin for this our mama hand. As me and you they talk now that Pikin now don't reach 18 years. You don't even know whether mama they exist. You don't even find mama because they don't give her apartment, give her everything. Now they put the man for kiri. So the one way senior the last born because now 5 kids now she born. This beginning of this year, she cried on our platform. She come to say she need advice because the Pikin they very stubborn. The Pikin they you know they hear words, he get character when we say they do, and it affect time for school also and all those things. Now they contact this woman say, all right, we'll go help you take this Pikin. We not feel the therapy when you they go in all you won't collect this Pikin for your hand. May we they take care of her. If you don't do okay, we go carry the Pikin, go give you back. Now this our mama call our platform. She come to us say, Ebony, wetin I go do, my people wanna help me. Now most of us come tell her say, may she give the Pikin to them. Because if she say she won't drag her, you know say, they go definitely see they do wetin they their mind. So, now she really give the Pikin out. 6 months from there, the last born, the one way senior last born, now they carry beginning of this year. Now the last born they won't call carry now for her hand. Now she cry come again. Ebony, wetin I go do? Now I say, Mama, wetin happen again? Wetin you do this time? He say now the same thing when see they do the other one. Now see they do this one, but this one, oh, he never too, he no was like that. I go fit take care of her. People the way they take care of Pikin like that. Now I say, okay, you not tell. They say no. He say you get time to call her. Tell her, say they won't still carry that one. Just like the way they carry the one when be say signora. Then he cut us say, but the one way una fe carry, una talk say una want they look am. Una never give me that one back. That one case now they court. We never go that court. No. Won't carry me go court again. Make the court collect this one. Wait till he do. This our mama call me, she boss cry. She say, Ebony, wait till I go do. Now, this our mama, she gets document, the paragraph 28, the best one. Because now true Pikin, she get paper. Now the best one, she they carry waka. She don't date this Jamie side for 10 years. 10 years, yes. And she don't date the Jamie side. And she start to they get paper. Nah. She say, whether make it carry these children, the remaining 3 way they with her, make it base or make it stay. He say if he say make him go, he go start to the find paper for another country again. For her age, her old age. Make she see go the find paper. Person will be say first Pikin don't reach 18 years. Make she carry the theory, go the find paper, they go. And the other children, I made they go they learn another language again. She never get Jamak Bale. Ama always say she go say, I don't get Jamak Bale. Make I just move to the other side. We should be the amen for that side. She never get Jamak Bale. She dey cry. She dey cry. Then I go tell her say, Mama, I don't know. For me, I really don't know. He say he no fit stay, stand, make they collect the third pikin again from her hand. He go call the men 2 out of 5 too. Only God no know. Only God na he know. Whether they no go see come back again, go collect the 2. Wetin he want her. Now she say she no know wetin she want do. She no get idea of wetin she go do. Now she need advice from us. A sincere advice. If he move, he go find paper for another country. If he stay, Jama government must collect that Pikin now. That one, they must collect them. Because when they don't pull hard for something, I know all this my country people, they must do one. Now she says she don't know what he go do. Which advice now get for her? What she go do? He no fit stand make they see the carry Pikin again. He not sure say her enemy go survive her. Because he do too much. They won't collect the 3rd Pikin for her hand. Waiting make government come meet her for house. Now Pikin will be say, "Iyo papa, ma we he born for. Iyo Pikin, he do voagaran." Now government enter her body. Now they don't they chum. Una know these people. I beg my country people. If you see this video, I beg, write for the comment section. Make this our mommy know what she go do. Because it's not easy. To be frank and sincere, it's not easy. She said, Ebony, I not fit stand, make they collect my Pikin. For via the Ebony TV backup page, now we talk about yesterday. When we say one girl whether they collect the Pikin, they collect the Pikin. Yesterday, she dey cry for live video. I don't even know how I want to help her. These days, the way that they collect children for our people hand, it does increase again. And most of my fans, they are in this problem. I don't even know how I want to help them. I can't even help them. Now, only advice we go fit give them. I go advise them how to follow them, how to work with them, and all those things. More I cannot do. But if you give them good advice, you give this mommy now good advice of what to do, I believe she will be fine. She did very big pain now. And those people, they say they must carry the Pikin from her hand. So, share this video, thumbs up this video, and leave your opinion for the comment section. If you have not followed this page, follow her. God bless you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.